Hi, this is James from the Hornbill Technical Support Team, and this is a short tutorial to show you how to reserve licenses for your analysts. So as you can see here, I'm using the SupportWorks 750 Enterprise client, and this is Service Pack 3. This will apply to all SupportWorks platforms. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the SupportWorks server configuration. The reason for this is because you need to understand the kind of license that you currently have. Within the server tab, you will have Manage Server License, and then you can see here the different components which is actually on your license. So you'll have a set number of users that you have against your particular license. For my particular one here, my test one, I've got 5 users here, and I've also got 5 named users. So these are 2 different entities, so I'll explain them more in a second. So what I'm going to do is within the client, I will show you that with the named users, you can actually allocate a particular license to them. So let's say I had 0 concurrent users, obviously, which is licenses all on a pool, so first come first serve sort of basis. If you had 0 of concurrent users and 5 named users, you'd need to set up who is the actual named license going to be actually assigned to. So within this administration and manage named license allocation, you'll have the add button, and within there you can select your particular analyst that you wish to effectively reserve that license to. That's who you're pinning that license to. So this will make sense for those who have named users rather than a concurrent. So let's say you have concurrent users and you wish to do this as part of a group. So let's say you have more groups, so I'm just going to add a couple more. Let's say a desktop team, and let's get one more in there. For third line. Okay, so I have 3 different groups here, and let's say you have 5 current licenses, so only 5 people can actually log on at once to the client. What you can do from each of these individual groups is set up how many licenses you wish to allocate to them. Here you have an option when you go into the properties of the group, license to reserve for this group's members. So bear in mind here it says total concurrent licenses 5, so this will give you a pointer as to how many you wish to take up. So I'm going to just type in 3. That'll mean then that there's only 2 licenses left that can be taken up from the pool. So these reserved licenses won't be released until you set this back to 0 again. So that means 3 analysts from the general support queue can log in, and only 2 are available for your other groups. So I hope this helps. Any questions, please leave a comment.